I just got my Christmas gift in the mail from one Raymond Orke. I can't wait. OMG! It's Japan crate, so you know what that says. Sugoi, I think. Oh my god! What is this? This is so cute. Oh, so many snacks. And a drink. Bodyguard Plus. I'm gonna need this. And green tea cookies. And well, of course, spicy chips. And there's like a little comic in it. Yeah. Well, maybe not comic. I guess it actually tells you about what snacks are in here. That's pretty friggin' cool. Hey. What is this? What are these? They're like little candies. Yee! And more raspberry. So cute. Chocolate chips. Oh god, this thing is so big. Oh my god, look at this thing with the lemon. I'm not so good at unboxing things, but this is amazing. There's so much stuff in here. I'm so happy. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is really amazing. And of course you can make like little goo stuff. It seems like all of them have some kind of a weird experiment stuff. That's cool. Like I said, I'm not good at unboxing things. So there it is. Really cool. Thank you, Ray. I love you.